Hi friends! Today we're going to be doing some subtraction. And the reason why we're doing subtraction is because over the weekend I was really generous and I was giving lots of different kinds of bones to Gumbo. And he kept eating them. He was eating so many, and I kept having to figure out how many bones were left. So the first one was pretty easy. I gave Gumbo 10 bones and he ate 9 of them. I know right off the bat that 10 bones minus 9 bones that he eats is the same as 1. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the next day I thought, well, he's only got 1 bone left. He must need some more bones. So the next day I got him 11 bones. And guess what? He ate 9 bones again. So this time I thought, well, how am I going to figure how many he has left after he eats 9? And I thought, well, I already know that 10 minus 9 is the same as 1. And I know that 11 is made up of 10 and 1. So that was easy. All I had to do was 10 minus 9 is the same as 1, and then 1 plus 1 is the same as 2. So I took this 1 and added it here to get 2. So if I was to draw that out, I could show that there's 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to take away 9. And I already know if I take away 9 from 10 right here, then I'm going to get 1 left. So that's easy peasy. I already did it. And now I have the 1 left over from the 10 and 1 here. 1 here and 1 there. But then the next day I thought, okay, Gumbo is really eating a lot. He's really hungry. This time I'm going to give him 12 bones. But again, he only ate 9 bones. So 12 minus 9. So I figured I already know that 10 minus 9 is 1. So 10 minus 9 is the same as 1. And 12 is made up of 10 and 2. So all I had to do was take the 1 from here and add the 2 here. And I know that 1 and 2 is the same as 3. So if I was to draw it, I would draw 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm going to color in the 9 from the 10 right away. So these are already kind of colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there was 1 left from the 10, and then I had 1 plus my 2, which makes my difference of 3. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you. That's just a video that you're going to be watching. Now, let's do this again, but I want you to participate in some of it. You should have listened very carefully for the first part of this video, because now I'm going to show you with even bigger numbers, and then I'm going to ask you to do one on your own. So I'm not going to draw it this time because I already did all the drawing at the beginning of the video. So if you get confused, I want you to look back when I was talking about Gumbo's bones and re-watch it. So if there are 14 bones and Gumbo eats 9, the first thing I'm going to do is take out 10, because I know my 10 facts really well. I know that if I have 14 and I take out 10, then there are 4 leftover ones. I know that 10 minus 9 is the same as 1, and then there are 4 left over, which makes 5. So my first step, I took out 10. My next step, I subtracted from 10. And then my final step, I added what I subtracted there and the leftover ones. So I added these 4 and then what I subtracted here. Now let's do one for you on your own. And this is the part of the video that I'm going to pause it and you're going to see a question come up. When that question comes up, it's your job to answer the question. That's how I know you're paying attention. After each of these videos that I submit, I see exactly what you guys answered for each of those questions. So let's do the same thing here. So I've got 15 minus 8 equals, My first step is to take out what from 15? That's right. I'm going to take out 10 from 15. If I took 10 from 15, what little part would go here? How many leftover ones? That's right, 5. Now I can do 10 minus 8, which is the same as 2. And then I'm going to add my leftover ones, which is 5. And now my answer is 7. That's right. Now you're going to do a lot on your own. Some of them will be even bigger numbers from this. So if this was 15 minus 8, it might be something even bigger, like 25 minus 8, right? In fact, let's do one together. So this might be kind of a long video, but I really want you to be successful. So after a couple of these practice problems with these, I'm going to show you one more video and the numbers are going to get even bigger and harder.